Welcome to my YouTube channel Automated Passive Income. Today I will show you how to create your own Chat GPT. With this code you can chat, and I created a code to make YouTube title, description, hashtags, and keywords to use when you upload your videos to channel. First you need OpenAI API key. Go to open.ai webpage, then click on API key. Log in with your details. Then click on your profile and view API key. Then create an API key and copy your key. Now go to Google Colab Link on the description. Go to File and save a copy to Drive. Change your file name. Install libraries by clicking on play icon. Next paste your OpenAI API key here. Run the code by clicking on play icon. Now you can run the Chat GPT by clicking on play icon. Like Chat GPT you can ask anything. But this code will not remember what earlier said. Next got to the type your YouTube video details here section. Type the video details. Run the code. Then run the next code. This will create a YouTube video title, description, hashtags and keywords based on what you type earlier, on YouTube video details section. Then code will download the text file into your local drive. You can use this details when you upload the video to the YouTube. You can find the full code Colab page link in the description. And type your question in the comments section, I will try to answer them soon. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel to stay up to date with the latest content. Subscribing not only shows support for the channel but also ensures that you won't miss out on any future helpful videos. Thank you for watching and subscribing.